Welcome to the $1 billion market with over 300 OTC topical, oral, natural, and FDA prescription nail treatments for fungal nails. I'm Dr. Robert Spalding, president of MediNail Learning Center at medinail.com and president of Just for Toenails at justfortoenails.com. Part 1, the basics. At medinail.com, we have training, testing, and proprietary products. MediNail.com has been developing and providing advanced training for nail techs online since 2006 by Dr. Robert Spalding with his books, Death by Pedicure and The Science of Pedicures. MediNail offers multiple advanced training certifications for nurses, medical assistants, and nail technicians, and free courses to the public, like through this course you're seeing. Here's the disclaimer. You can take the time to read it by stopping or wait till the end. Good news, the entrepreneurial spirit is alive and well in the mystic world of fungal nail treatments. The bad news scenario, or BS, is that the American public is confused as to what to do, buy or spend money on fungal nail treatments. A lot of these products make a lot of promises, so don't let your toes end up like this. Don't let this happen. Go out and get a diagnosis. There are so many of these hopeful companies with a lot of creative approach for branding. They want to find an active ingredient and how they're going to approach the product, build a brand or design a catchy name, or trade off an existing brand name for another. So which one of these are fungal nails and which one are melanoma? Fungal nails are no joke and can cause pain, embarrassment, but can also lead to infections resulting in amputations in diabetics, vascular patients, and neuropathic patients. And it can be cancer or melanoma for others. Which ones are which? The one in the middle top is a fungal nail with bacterial infection. The one on the right bottom is melanoma. So where do all these nail funguses come from? Well, that's about a 30-minute discussion, so you can read them here. I don't know anyone who wouldn't pull out their hair with the confusion over choosing 300 choices of antifungal nail products, but by the end, hopefully we'll sort out some basic information for you. The only way you really know is to get diagnosed properly, and you need to have 4 tests that we'll talk about later. You have 3 choices dealing with fungal nails. Number 1, do nothing or hide it with polish. Number 2, treat it yourself with 300 options for treatment. Or 3, see a doctor for an accurate diagnostic test and FDA treatment. Remember, if you are treating a fungal nail and not something else, it takes a year for your toenail to grow out at a rate of 1 millimeter per month, 6 months for a fingernail to grow out at a rate of 2 millimeters per month, and you must treat it topically for that long if you choose to do so. This is some important quick advice. Try one of the 300 topicals for no more than 3 to 6 months if there's no open lesions or broken skin or history of melanoma. If you don't see a major improvement in 3 to 6 months, go see a podiatrist or dermatologist if you have one locally, or a medical professional if no specialists are in your area. If you've had nail fungus, melanoma, or nail infections in the past, or you're a high-risk patient, go straight to the medical expert. Remember, 5% of all cancers are found in the feet. Treating it yourself versus going to see a doctor makes you a part of that $1 billion decision. Treating it yourself with over 300 choices has a collective cure rate of 5%, and after treating it for a year or two, it could cost you $500 to $800. Testing and treating at a doctor's office has a collective cure rate up to 70%. And over a 1-year period, you'd probably spend about $1,000 to $1,500, with the exception that lasers are not covered, and some of that money would be covered by insurance. Reoccurrence rates run around 40%, so you have to do something on an ongoing basis. Hypothetically, unofficially, a slice of that $1 billion OTC antifungal pie divided by 300 OTC nail product companies equals $3,333,333.33 technically to each OTC company. However, not all of these companies are going to be successful, and not including what the FDA prescription antifungal products generate from health insurance companies. Back in 1998, when I opened my practice, I counted 80 over-the-counter products. In 2006, that jumped to 176. In 2015, over 200 products were on the market. And in 2022, nearly 300 products are on the market. The following listed antifungal products may be in violation of the FDA monograph regulations if any manufacturer's label makes claims of cure without the proper studies to prove efficacy. However, if they say improves appearance, then it can legally stay in the realm of a cosmetic product. This is the end of part 1. Go to part 2 to hear a fast-paced listing of over 300 products for fungal nails in part 2. I'm Dr. Spalding. I provided this free information sheet on antifungals. You can reach me at my email at drrspalding@gmail.com, or you can go and see more free training modules on the medinail.com website.